Hey guys, welcome to another YouTube video today. And today I want to talk about this wonderful project, Akash, the world premier decentralized computer marketplace. Guys, this is a really wonderful project I found out about, and I want to share it all to you guys so you can know what this project is about. And today in this video, we're going to be talking about a lot of things. Yeah, I'm going to be telling you what Akash is, how to use Akash, that's 2. 3, what is Akash Compute Marketplace? 4, what is Akash Container Platform? 5, what is the cost to use Akash? And then 6, I'm also going to tell you the difference between other cloud platforms and Akash, and also the difference between decentralized platforms. And then we're also going to be talking about the stack definition language. And then lastly, we're going to be talking about the key features of Akash Super Cloud. So guys, stay tuned. You're going to enjoy this video. First, what is Akash? Akash is an open network that lets you buy and sell computing resources securely and efficiently. It is a purpose built for public use. So I know some of you in your mind will want to ask how. Want to know how Akash works, and calm down, you're going to know all this information in this video. So let's go into how Akash works, how to use Akash. So yes, you can get started from a command line, or you can actually use the web app. It defines your Docker image, the CPU, memory and storage in a deployed file. Like you can see, this is the file, the file type, and then you can set your price, receive bits from providers in seconds, and select lowest prices. You can also deploy your applications without having to set up figures or manage servers. So 2, I'm going to be talking about what is Akash Compute Marketplace. So Akash Compute Marketplace is where users use computing resources from cloud providers before deploying a Docker container on the Akash container platform. Yes. So the marketplace store on the chain, on the on-chain record of requests, bit list and settlement payments using the Akash token, that's AKT. That's the Akash token, and the Akash blockchain in a Tendermint-based application built on Cosmos SDK. Yes guys, that is what makes up the Akash Compute Marketplace. So thirdly, I said I was going to talk about what is the Akash Container Platform. What the Akash Container Platform is. The Akash Container Platform is a deployment platform for hosting and managing containers that allows users to run any cloud native application. So Akash is built with a set of cloud management services, including Kubernetes and storage and manage containers. It also manages containers. So what is the cost of using Akash? The cost of hosting an application using Akash is about 1/3 of the cost of Amazon. I'm very sorry guys, I'm familiar with Amazon. Yeah, it's a Google Cloud platform that's GCP and Microsoft Azure. You can check the prices live using the price comparison. So they have a live comparison where you can check the live prices and know the cost to use an Akash. So how do you use an Akash? That's a very important question. If you are new to Akash, you can start with a deployment guidelines and go from there. Akash community has written down several more advanced guidelines for learning about Akash, and as I am doing now, this video is also for you to learn and get more information about Akash. So it's a non-operator guide, and a validator guide, a cloud provider guide, and several deployment guides for running various apps on Akash. So yes, that's how you can it's a very self-explanatory project. If you want to come, you can understand literally everything that is here. So I'm going to be talking about why is Akash different than other cloud platforms. That is very important because you must have heard of several platforms, and then you know that okay. But then why is Akash different? The decentralized cloud is a shift from computing resources being owned and operated by three large cloud companies, Amazon, Google, and Microsoft, to a centralized network of cloud providers running open source software developed by a community, leading to the emergence of a new cloud computing model. The model takes the shape of an open marketplace made up of many providers, all of whom are competing to provide resources. So just like Airbnb for server hosting, Akash is a marketplace that gives you control over the price you pay and the amenities included. Yes, we call them attributes. So you can imagine this is one of the features that makes Akash stands out. It gives you the control over the price you pay and the amenities included, and then it is called an attribute. Akash gives app developers a command line tool for listing and deploying apps right from the terminal. Akash taps into the massive market of the unutilized resources sitting idle in the estimated 8.4 million data center globally, and any containerized application running on the decentralized cloud can run faster and at a lower cost on Akash decentralized cloud. What more are you looking for? This is showing so much potential in it. You can see, you can nearly or find any of the features in any of these open source software. With any of these open marketplace, you can really find. So I'm also going to be talking about why is Akash different than other decentralized platform. So Akash hosts containers where users can run any cloud native application. There is no need to rewrite the entire internet in a new priority language, yes. And there is no vendor lock to prevent you from switching cloud providers. The development file is transferred over a private peer-to-peer network isolated from the blockchain. Yes, and then the asset transfer occurs off-chain over MFTLs to provide the security and performance required by mission-critical application running on the cloud. Yes, guys, this is basic reason why Akash is different from other decentralized platforms. So, guys, what is the stack definition language? The stack definition language is a declarative language, and it is a human-friendly data standard for declaring deployment attributes. You can use it to define the deployment service, the data center requirements, and then pricing parameters in a manifest file. And then the stack definition language is also compatible with the YAML standard and similar to a doc compose file. So that is what the stack definition language is. Yes, it is a declarative language. And guys, I also want to be talking about the key features of Akash SuperCloud. Yeah, it's an infrastructure as a code. It's Kubernetes powered, and then it has a persistent storage. It's also dedicated to IP listing, and then it's permissionless, and then it's also a peer-to-peer and private. So it promotes peer-to-peer communication, guaranteed data privacy, and then payments transparency and immunity from central control, reinforcement, dependability. What other projects are you looking for? This is the best project ever, and then I want you all to join this project because believe me, it's just not me that's going to profit from it. You're also going to profit from it. You're also going to see the advantages of why you should join Akash. I'm also going to be dropping the website link, the Twitter link, and the Discord link, all the social media handle link under this video. I want you to join, check out, make questions. They have active moderators that are ready and able to answer all the questions you have. If this video, if you're not evidence to understand this video enough, you can go into the social media platforms and ask varieties of questions. And you can also drop your questions in the comment section for me to answer. Thank you very much. Make sure you tell someone about Akash today.